In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and upload a digital file mockup or layout asset for an Etsy listing. We'll walk through the full process from opening your browser, preparing your design file, exporting it correctly, and then uploading it to your Etsy seller dashboard so your product can go live as a digital item. The goal here is to make sure your file looks professional, stays high quality, and is set up properly for customers to download. To begin, open Chrome and go into your preferred design program. This can be any program you use to create original digital artwork, mockups, or layout assets. Once you're inside, build your file carefully and make sure everything is finalized before moving on. This is the stage where you want to double check spacing, alignment, colors, and overall presentation. Since this will be sold as a digital product, it's especially important that the file looks polished and is easy for the buyer to use. When your design is complete, export the finished work using a high-quality, uncompressed universal layout format, such as SVG or PDF. This part matters because these file types are widely supported and help preserve the quality of your work. If your design includes scalable elements or needs to stay crisp at different sizes, SVG can be a strong choice. If you want a format that is easy to open and share across many devices, PDF is also a reliable option. Before continuing, make sure the exported file opens properly and looks exactly the way you expect. Next, open your Etsy seller dashboard and navigate to the area where you can create a new product. Click the option to add a listing. This will open the listing setup page where you'll enter the details for your item and define how it will be delivered to customers. On the listing page, find the product type setting and make sure it is set strictly to digital. This step is essential because it tells Etsy that this is a downloadable item rather than a physical product. If this setting is incorrect, your listing may not function the way you intend. Finally, upload your finished artwork file to the listing as the downloadable file for the buyer. Once the upload is complete, review everything one more time to confirm the correct file has been attached. Then save your changes and publish the listing live. That's it. By following this process, you'll have a clean, professional digital product listing ready for customers to purchase and download.